Live from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza, this is the third hour of Today.
All right, just said this morning we are coming clean for National Laundry Day with some products to make laundry a little bit easier. Hey guys, get this. It's not just tax day, it's also National Laundry Day. 2 perfect days all wrapped into one. So our Shop Today team rounded up products to make the household chore loads more fun. Lifestyle expert Bahar Tekhteshian is here to share them all with us. Scan the QR code to purchase any of these picks. Bahar, good morning.
Good morning. I love that pun.
Well, you know,
we're full of them around here. Yes, yes.
You were actually very excited to show us a lot of these products.
I actually really love doing laundry, so these are some amazing products. Don't like folding, but like to do the laundry.
I'm with you.
So we're going to start with this washing bag. This is from Guppy Friend, and this is going to protect your clothes, but it also protects the environment. So researchers found that sometimes when you put synthetic fabrics like spandex, fleece, polyester, when you put them in the wash, sometimes they release tiny particles and even microplastics.
Oh, great.
Which of course aren't good for the environment. They're not good for, you know, animals. So put all your synthetic clothes in here and then you just wash as usual.
Oh my God, that's good for delicates too.
Great for delicates. Yeah, the particles, if there are any, will get trapped in there and then you dispose of them in the trash.
I think we are all fascinated by this new laundry technology, as we're calling it.
This is the latest innovation in laundry detergent. This is from Tide. These are detergent tiles, Evo. I've been using these for the past 2 weeks. I'm really obsessed. They are so cool because, first of all, touch them. They're made from 6 layers of fiber. So there's no liquid.
No plastic.
There's no plastics. They smell amazing. What you do is you pop them into the laundry machine, then you put your clothes on top. They will activate instantaneously when you add water. The brand says, of course, they clean nicely, remove stains. The smell is so good. And they're like great for travel.
Yes.
And it just completely disintegrates in the water.
Disintegrates.
No mess.
No mess. You don't have to carry a jug, a heavy jug, or measure something.
Right.
Yeah.
It's so awesome. I'm going to be adding to cart
Get rid of the
over and over again. Yeah.
So this would be perfect for Dylan with 3 boys.
Oh, yes. Must have something to do with smell.
So some fabrics, as you guys know, they end up having like a really funky odor. Gym clothes, sometimes towels, especially when it's like humid. This is going to get rid of the stink. So this is from Lumi.
Oh, they make that the deodorant.
The deodorant for your body, yes. So this actually, according to the brand, has a very powerful blend of enzymes that will break down those stubborn smells and the residues. Guys, my husband went to...
Not open.
No, but it's still leaking. And it got on my nose. Smells great.
Smells great. My husband went to like a hot yoga class, forgot to wash his really wet, sweaty pants for 3 days.
No.
The scent was horrific. I soaked it in this. I was going to trash them. This worked like a charm.
So you just soak it in that first?
No, you can actually use it in your washing machine. I had to soak it though. One or the other. Yes, exactly.
Colors and whites. Are you supposed to separate them?
Not anymore.
Ooh.
What? So these are also really awesome from Grove Co. Color catching sheets. So if you use one of these, you don't have to separate your lights from your dark colored clothing. This sheet will actually, it's designed to absorb the dyes from your clothes.
How do it know?
It absorbs the dyes, and it prevents them from transferring from one fabric to the next.
That's amazing.
And then when you take your clothes out, you just throw away the sheet?
Yeah, you just throw away the sheet, you put this on top of your load, and you just wash as usual.
Okay.
Okay.
This next one.
Okay, so you know how some items require like delicate washing and delicate soap, like bras, swimwear, cashmere. This is a laundry soap from Soak. That's for our demo, Dylan. Wait, you got to smell this. It smells so good. This is going to be for those delicate washes.
Oh, wow, that does smell really nice.
All you do is you take a bowl, you put your water in there, and then you add just a little bit of this to the bowl.
Just that small of a drop?
Yes. You let it soak for about 15 minutes. Best part, guys, you don't have to rinse. You just squeeze the water out after 15 minutes, and then you air dry. You're good to go.
Okay, so once you've got your clothes in the Dylan dryer, what do you then do with it?
You've been waiting all day for that.
That's the only reason we did this segment.
You know what's funny? My brother's name in the military, his nickname is Maytag.
Maytag
dryer.
That's good. That's a good one. So these are collapsible baskets. If you guys live in the city, I'm sure you have
these, yes.
multiple. I have like 3 of these. Not only do they hold a ton of laundry, but when you're not using them, you just fold
slide
them
them on a
up
shelf.
and stack them up. They're perfect.
Yeah.
I love all these items. I really do.
This is great.
I've never been so excited
I can't
to
wait
do
to do
laundry.
laundry now. To shop all of these laundry products, be sure to scan the QR code or head to today.com/shop.